Hi friends, welcome back to Salva Solutions. Today we are see capital 12-inch subwoofer review and unboxing. Okay, this is for a capital FX-300 1200 peak power and wattage. Okay, this is 12-inch subwoofer. Four layer, two-way high temperature voice coil is there. Cone is a plastic pepper cone. Power handling 300 watts and power handling peak 1200 watts. Frequency response 3 Hz to 4 Hz and 89 dB sound. Small parameters there, everything. Okay. This is for the diameters, things that paper cone and magnet, everything is there. Okay, now open it. Open it. Nice packing and hard paper cone is there. Dust free is there and plus minus crossing type like banana socket is there. Plus minus corrector cones verified. Paper cone comes outside for pushing the coil is outside is plus minus is correct. Inner side going paper cone is plus minus is wrong. Okay, everything is dust cover is perfectly set. This for cockroaches, something insects, and you cannot going to underside. See, is I put in plus minus in battery. Cone is comes outside. Okay, so plus minus is correct. You can use the JPL subwoofers in Indian sellers. There is a copycat. It's not original JPL subwoofers here. So that place you can use and replace JPL subwoofer. Okay, this under is there dust particle. Indian side JPL subwoofers comes 4,000 5,000. This copycats you can replace this capital. This 4 mouse pads is working fine. Hard sub can use hard subs. You can use this capital subwoofers. Okay, testing video next day we will update.